talk with, siguro yung princess muna ng family. Jerry? Okay, go Belle.
Titignan ka na. Sabi ko, kaya na huwag mo ko tawagin na muna. Hindi, pero grabe yung kanta, no? Ramdam mo yung emosyon. And I feel like it's the perfect OST for Greatest Life, syempre. And honestly, I just can't wait. I was talking to Winay just now, sabi ko sa kanya, nadala namin yung ugali ng characters namin, even after the shoot. And nakakatuwa, I feel like it's something na dadalhin namin forever. Yung Pamilya Facundo, panghabang buhay siya. Yeah. So, pansinin kayo ng pamilya namin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Jerry or Belle. Dahil part kayo ng family, guys, mamaya nasa GC na kayo.
Yes!
Okay, thank you so much. Ito naman, panganay, we have Kuya Tupe, Piolo Pascual.
Yes, just like what Belinda said, such a beautiful family, something that we never expected to happen, but it did. And Tagalog daw, sabi ng nanay ko. Malaking karangalan po sa... Hindi, it's just masaya talaga kami sa shoot na to. And even after it finished, first time ko naramdaman na parang nakakabitin talaga yung pakiramdam na nabubuo yung pamilya namin. Tapos na siya. And alam namin for a fact that it doesn't end there. And makikita niyo sa pelikula once you watch it, siguro hindi tissue yung kailangan yung dalhin, kailangan nyo bimpo, tuwalya, towel. Kasi lalo na kami, nag-shooting pa lang, dali nyo yung magulang nyo, tapos i-treat nyo sila after. Kasi importante na, mahalin nyo pag magulang ninyo. Yun lang. Love you guys. Ang ganda na lang.
Thank you so much, Piolo Pascual. Okay, the ever so makulit na son. Yes. Let's hear it for Leo.
Let's go, the Fox! Pero, I don't know, mahirap. Ang hirap pakawalan yung pagsasama namin na to. So, bakit nagpakawalan, di ba? Wala lang, sinabi ko lang para may masabi ako. Iniisip ko yung sasabihin ko kasi. Tapos, yun, pero seryoso, for me as well as someone who loves acting, sobrang malaking karangalan sa akin na makasama. Hindi lang Sinabel, Joshua, Papa P, pero lalo na si Inay, na sobrang mapagbigay. Sobrang mapagbigay. As in, talagang kung ano yung kailangan na suporta namin para sa kailangan namin gawin for our character, si Inay talagang laging, kahit hindi siya nakikita sa camera, magbibigay siya sa'yo. At sobrang laking pasasalamat ko, Star Cinema, for getting me for this project and for putting me in this cast kasi especially as someone who didn't grow up with a complete family, I also found a family here. So, love you. Love you all. Love you, love you everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, JK, our makulit son. Leo, ito naman syempre, our Diamond Star. Inay, Mama Baby.
Hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko sa totoo lang. Sobra akong overwhelmed sa mga anak ko dito. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, ngayon lang ako nag-shooting na nagmamadali akong pumunta sa set dahil kailangan makachichi ko yung mga anak ko. Yung kailangan muna may chika muna kami bago kami mag-umpisa mag-makeup at mag-ayos ng buhok at mag-bihis.
Daming chismis.
Ang dami namin chika. Yung minsan parang, ano daw? Sabi ng mga people na ano daw? Ano ba nakakatawa doon? Wala naman nakakatawa. Ba't tawa sila ng tawa? Sabi ko, ba't mo sumasali? Hindi mo pala alam. Pero gano'n kami, kasaya. Sobrang saya talaga namin, hindi ko maintindihan. Sobra, itong mga batang to, naku, grabe ang mga storya nila sa buhay nila. Kaya, nakikiisa ako doon dahil grabe nila ang storya ng buhay ko. Noong bata pa ako. Kaya nila noon. Ngayon ako nanay na nila. Hindi ba? Kaya, lahat ng natutunan ko, sinishare ko sa mga batang to. Dahil gusto ko mapadiretso ang life nila, hindi yung balog-balog ba? Kasi sobra ko silang love. Yun ang dahilan.
Thank you so much, Inay. Grabe, kitang-kita talaga na naging family sila because of the film Meet, Greet, and Buy. Thank you so much to the Facundos for joining us today. Pero before we let you guys go, syempre, quick photo op muna. First, as cast muna, we'll ask you guys to stand up, please. Tapos next naman, with our supporters dito sa Noctos Music Bar. Okay. Yes, okay. Let's face here muna. Yan. Okay, our official photographer is here. Okay, there you go. Once again, the
Sayang wala ka dito, but it was so nice to finally meet your family. Ayan. And Josh, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na congrats.
Bel Mariano, Juan Carlos, and Miss Maricel Soriano, and of course Joshua Garcia is also joining us for Meet, Greet, and Buy.
Dito si Joshua.
Yes, ayun. In cinemas, worldwide beginning November 2. Yan, okay. There, thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Okay, isa pa now with the supporters. Okay, we'll have the cast face the LE. On sa Dolby Theater, hosted by MJ Felipe. There you go. Thank you guys so much, the Facundos. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Take care. Mamaya, Felipe. Okay. So to all of the supporters, we would like to ask you guys to please settle down and sit down muna habang nag-exit yung cast natin of Meet, Greet, and Buy. But again, thank you guys so much for joining us. Pero huwag mo na kayong umalis guys ha, kasi meron pa tayong surprise para sa inyo. Okay, there you go. Again, Juan Carlos, Inay, Maricel Soriano, Piolo Gaston,
Nakabeses si Jen, may Bell.
our official cast of Meet, Greet, Buy.
Full story sa kume.
Well, don't forget to use our hashtags. Hashtag Meet, Greet, and Buy, and of course, hashtag MGB, Meet.
Punta ka doon ako sa Pidgeman, sa Medulo.
Ayun. Last week, puro muna.
Si Mama Fran.